Oh my God, would you look at this?
Now, before you make any remarks, can I just say that dignity is overrated?
I think you look grand.
No, he doesn't.
Hang on. What is the plan exactly?
Well, I think we should wade in, balance the fridge on board, wait for the right breaker and ride her in on a decent wave.
Right, well, good luck with that then.
All right, Tony? Okay, swing her around. Okay, to me, yeah? Careful, Tony! Careful!
You know what, Peter? They're mad.
Not so, Rashid. They're sane. The rest of us who are mad.
It appears to be a fridge.
Ah, fridge, is it? Will I put that in the report?
Not if you want that promotion.